Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Pisces. For your general energies, career situation and relationship, we are picking these cards. So these are for your general energies. For your relationship, we'll be picking one card from another deck. And for your career, another card. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Pisces, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can watch that reading. And if you are interested in a personal reading, Pisces, I have a good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fiverr, and I'll be sharing her link in the description. You can contact her. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies first. So today we have Queen of Pentacles, Hermit in reverse and Nine of Pentacles. So in your circumstances, Pisces, maybe in your work or in your relationship, you are happy about something. You are happy the way things are going in your life. Maybe in your work, you are seeing positive changes, good opportunities, good offers coming to you. Or maybe in your personal life, you have a beautiful understanding with this person. You love them, they love you. So there is mutual love, respect, understanding, caring. And you feel really happy to be with this person, happy to be in this relationship. And you are a very kind and compassionate person, friendly person, or this may be their energy. They are very kind, compassionate and a helping natured person. But in your heart, you may have some kind of fear. Maybe you are afraid that things may take a negative turn. And these fears are unfounded. These fears are not based on truth. Maybe you're quite emotional because of some reason, because of the way things were in your past. Maybe you would have seen some negative circumstances in your past relationship, and that has changed your mind, that has left a deep hurt, and you're afraid that this person will also leave you. And maybe in this relationship, you have a very good understanding with each other, and you feel really inspired. You feel really cheerful, happy to be with them. You simply love their company and you love this person. And you are afraid that you may lose this person. That is the reason you have this unfounded fears. In this relationship, maybe you are thinking that this person will leave you and abandon you for some reason, and you're quite worried. But you need to understand that if it is true love you both have, this love is going to hold this relationship together, Pisces. So for your relationship, we have one card, Go the Distance. This is the oracle guidance, what you can do today. So this card just means endurance and strength. So for better or worse in this relationship, when there are ups and downs in this connection, harmony does not mean that there will be nothing wrong in this relationship. It just means that it is marked by endurance and dedication for overall unity. So when you both work together for this relationship is going to stand strong. It is going to stand the test of time, all the difficulties that are going to come. So that is the energy here with this card, a beautiful guidance for you all for what you need to do to make this love even more stronger. So for your career situation, let's see what is the card. It's the Fool. So maybe you're making some impulsive choices without thinking of the future, what will happen in the future in your career. So you must think clearly before deciding on something. So that is the energy here. That is the reading with these cards. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now, Pisces. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. So this is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds. Open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. We will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this first card, the Goose Girl. I hope you can see the card. Theft. So with this card, the energy is that maybe in your circumstances today, your identity is being stolen or you have been wronged in a very bad way. Something of yours has been stolen. But you need to understand that your uniqueness and what is truly yours can never be stolen from you. Though it may look like you have lost something, in truth you have not lost it. It is a part and a parcel of your being, the truth about yourself, your true characters, your true nature. It can never be copied because each and every one of us are unique in our own way. And maybe you are facing some problems because of this, but justice will always happen. Truth will unfold in your life very soon. Truth can never be hidden for a long time and it will be revealed very soon in your situation. And you are being protected and you are being cared for, but you don't know it yet. You may feel lost, a little lonely. You may feel lost away from the people you love, people who have cared for you. But this hardship is coming to an end, and whatever injustice has been done to you is ending very soon. And you need to understand that truth will always prevail. So you need not worry. Truth about you, truth about your circumstance is coming out very soon. And whatever cruelty or jealousy is done to an innocent person will never harm them. It will just go back to the doer. So you need to understand that, and you need to understand that justice can never be thwarted. It will always unfold and truth will always prevail. So that is the energy here. So maybe you have been wronged, or maybe if you have wronged someone, you should make amends if you have done something wrong to someone. if you have tried to copy them, or if you have tried to take away what is truthfully theirs. You must mend your ways. Or if something bad has happened to you, or someone has done something bad to you, you need not worry. What is rightfully yours will always come to you. So that is the energy here with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, we have the impossible made possible. So in our hearts, we will be dreaming of big dreams, and we ourselves, we will feel that it is something, it's too big, or it is too much to imagine, or it is too unreal to manifest in our life. But there is nothing wrong to dream, and there is nothing impossible for that divine power to make it happen. So we need to have that belief in that divine power, in that higher power. So all that is holding us back from achieving these dreams are our thoughts of that lack of belief, that lack of belief in the higher power's power to unfold such dreams in our life. So our mind is the reason for us to be like this. So when we are truly passionate, when we yearn for such beautiful dreams to unfold in our life, there is nothing to stop us. And at that right time, what we passionately wish for ourselves and what we truthfully wish for ourselves will definitely unfold in our life. With that divine help, that dream will unfold, and this card means a blessing is coming your way, and this is it will be like the sweetest water quenching the thirst of our soul. So just like that, whatever we are really passionate about and whatever we yearn for, so that dream is waiting to unfold with that divine blessings. But all we need to do is have that belief in our heart. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. So that is the reading for you all today with these cards. Guys, thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.